Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today I'm here to unbox the fall 2024 FabFitFun box. I'm a trifle behind in my filming. I'm hoping to catch up this week, but considering that I just got this in, actually I didn't just get it in, I got it a few days ago and I haven't even opened it yet. I've been waiting to do it with you guys. And I am very excited to see what is in here. If you are unfamiliar with FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. They include lifestyle, fitness, beauty items. And as a rule, the fall box usually includes a lot of my favorite things that I have received from FabFitFun. And even though I just chose my items, it doesn't seem like that long ago, I don't remember what I put in this box. So I still feel like it's going to be a surprise. So let's get in here. Okay, I know I was excited about this. So this is from Ole Henriksen. This is the Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. I have heard very good things about this product. You know, these types of products are very, very popular right now. Most brands seem to have something like this, but again, I have heard very good things about this one. So this is in Cocoa Cream. Ooh, I like the tip. So this is one of those that has a little bit of a squishy tip, which is similar to, oh, what's the other one I like? I'll remember it presently. Anyway, let's look at the color. Ooh, that's a very pretty fall shade. Feels nice and balmy. It has a very slight kind of nutty-ish scent. Very, very pleasant. I will definitely have to keep you updated on this in a future speed reviews video. Very excited about that. Okay, so next I have something from Dove. This has to be like a special edition that they put in all the boxes because I don't remember seeing this. So this is within their oat milk and berry brulee plant milk cleansing bar. I generally like Dove shower products. They tend to be pretty nice, actually. So here we go, a big block of Dove soap. It actually smells lovely. Looking forward to trying that. Ooh, I'm so excited. You know that if there's the option to get slippers, I'm gonna get it. So these are from Mucklux. Ooh, they're very soft and then got a big squishy platform on them, which I admit sometimes I will run out real quick to get the mail or something in my slippers, so it's nice that it's got a decent sole on it. I'll be wearing these constantly. Yes, I did put something else in my box that I have received before. Sometimes they'll bring back past box favorites, and I did get the Vegamore Grow Dry Shampoo again. I don't necessarily think it helps your hair get any fuller, but I do like this one, so that is a repeat product. Ooh, I'm excited about this. So this is a hair curler set. I have a hair curler set, but it's quite old and I wanted to try something different. So this one is from Slick Hair. This is called the Girls with More Curls Hair Roller Kit. It has 6 medium hair rollers, 6 large hair rollers, and 12 hair clips. So these I think are meant to wear overnight. So they're like the little fuzzy ones. Yeah, I'm really gonna have to like watch videos or something. I have told you guys before, I am not very good at hair, but I keep trying different products to find things that are perfect for me. I'm looking forward to trying this one. We also have a product in here from Nudestix. So this is the Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm. I like the gel color sticks from Nudestix. I have one of their other shades. I think the other shade I have is called Babe, I think. Actually, I have it right here. So yes, Babe. Whereas this shade is the shade Posh. So I think it's a nice formula both for the lips and for the cheeks. So let's see. It's actually a very pretty kind of soft, coolish pink with like a mauve-y tone to it. I might like that better as a blush than the lip color, but I'm certainly gonna try it because I do like the very kind of creamy formula of this particular one. Okay, and moving on, I think, to the last and most exciting product in the box for me anyway, the blanket. Just like slippers, if there's an option to get a blanket, it's gonna happen. So I absolutely love the color. Very, very fallish, autumnal. Ooh, I like it. It's drapey. It's got a nice squish to it. Even though it's not super thick blanket, it's got some thinness. So like it's one that you could pack in a bag, which sometimes I admit I do. It would have to be a big bag, but I still sometimes do it. As always, the goal with these new blankets is to keep it away from my animals. It never fails though. Sometimes I've actually seen my dog physically take my favorite blankets, arrange it on the couch, and lay on it. So I will try my best though to keep this for a human blanket. As always, I'm interested to hear what you got in your box. There are so many different options, so most boxes will be completely different from each other. So if you get the FabFitFun box, let me know, what did you get in your box? I always love hearing about the goodies that we all picked out. And if the products were good. FabFitFun in general does a decent job, but I feel like there have been occasions in the past where I was like, wasn't my favorite. So anyway, let me know your review. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. This is where I always talk about my tea of the day. Today I'm not drinking anything fancy. I'm just drinking classic Twinings tea. My voice is kind of croaky today and I just wanted something comforting, you know? I hope that you have a good day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.